Hey guys, and welcome back. It's time to talk about the hard light blending mode. So this is actually pretty similar to overlay. It's going to be even stronger of an effect. So the lights are going to get really bright, the darks are going to get really dark, and it's going to add a lot of color to your photos. So let's go ahead and jump into Photoshop and take a look at an example. So here we are in Chapter 3, Section 15 on hard light, and let's go ahead and open up our image. So our darks are going to get real dark and our lights are going to get real light. So if we want to, in this case, I'm just going to kind of tone this image a little bit. Let's create a new layer here. I'm going to use my brush tool, and then we're going to choose like kind of a light green color, just like this. And I'm just going to paint over here on the top of my waves. There we go, kind of like bring this area in with a nice lighter color. All right, that looks good. And then let's go into our blues, and we're just going to get darker. There we go. Let's make our layer blend mode a little bit bigger here. All right, let's go even darker, just a little bit there. All right. So this is still in a normal blending mode, by the way. Okay. So basically, I just painted some light areas on the top and dark areas on the bottom, and obviously it just looks like regular paint on that layer. So let's go ahead and change and take a look first at overlay. Okay, you can see the light areas are getting lighter and dark areas are darker. Now let's change it down to hard light, and we'll see the effect is even stronger. Okay, but you can see that the hard light kind of favors the highlights a little bit more than overlay. There we go. So changing down to hard light, and you know what? I think we need to add a little bit of dark area right down here as well. So anytime you want like a pretty strong lightening, darkening, and color effect, you want to choose overlay. Now you can still change your opacity and use blend modes just with any other layer. This is not part of the special light group, so opacity and fill are going to do literally the exact same thing. So I've chosen this image because I really wanted some separation between the lights, like here the waves crashing, and then the dark area right over here, and we've added a bunch of separation. So even stronger than overlay, and you can see it's much stronger than soft light. Hard light really does create that separation. So basically, you just want to use hard light when overlay doesn't produce a strong enough result. All right, guys, next we're going to talk about vivid light, which actually uses a combination of color dodge and color burn. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.